Hello guys, welcome to all of you. This is Burjendra Singh Chauhan. Welcome to my YouTube channel BS CAD. In this video, we'll learn linear sketch pattern. So there's a two options: linear type, circular type. When we in this tutorial we learn a linear type. Okay, now we select this. First, we select the axis. Here is our x-axis, and this is our y-axis. Okay, and this is our x-axis, and this is our y-axis. Okay, and now we delete this. First we select it, how it work. Let's select the linear. First we select this and select the sketch we want to pattern. Okay, now first option, if we want here we enter the distance between two sketches, center to center, and you can check it. Okay, Control Z. Again, select the entity and select the distance, reverse direction. You can change the direction. You can click here. Okay, you can click the dimensions. If you want to increase the number of items or sketches, then you can enter here. Okay, we need a dimension space. You can click here, then it show the dimension between these. If you want to enter it, add it, you can easy to add. Okay, Control Z. Control Z. Okay, again we select the entity. Okay, increase the distance between two items, and here is the angle. This is basically our 0 degree, and so we want to increase. You can show the sketch. You can make it pattern is at a particularly angle. Do you want just a 30 degree, and you can show the check it. Control Z. Again, linear, select the entity. Okay, increase the space. Here is the next option is in the y direction. When we check this is a 1, and we want to make it in a xy direction, then we increase the number of items, one more than one. Okay, here is the space between the two sketches, so we increase the space. If you want to make the dimensions, here we select it. You can create a dimension of y direction. You can show this. Okay, this is our y, this is our x. Now Control Z. Control Z again. We select this, and here we select one by one our sketch lines. Okay, and we change the dimension, increase the gap and number of items, and here we in the y direction we increase the value. And now next option is our angle in y direction. If you want to change it, you can show it how it works on 0 degree. Okay, you can check it. Okay, Control Z. Again, linear, select the sketches. Okay, dimension change, increase the value, and in a y, okay, increase the space and increase the value. Okay, here is the next option is skip. Okay, if you want to if you want to skip any sketch between from this, so you can easy to click here. If we never want to this and this and this. Okay, then click OK. Then we create a sketch on this, and the another we skip it. It remove from the final. Okay, here our rectangle pattern command is completed. I hope you learn more. So please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon button for new video notification. Thank you guys.